Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have a really short and quick video for you guys, so sit tight and enjoy some eye candy. If you haven't subscribed to me, I would really appreciate that you do. Hit that subscribe button. I make videos once a week. Or at least I try to, depending on how busy I am. I am a lawyer by day and a YouTuber by night, or by weekends. But hit that subscribe button and you will follow me through my daily life. I tend to make videos about fashion, beauty, anything I'm interested in. My daily life, if I'm going on holidays and whatnot. I love traveling, so do hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. So I'm not going to ramble on too much, but I wanted to make a quick video today to unbox a little something that I got from Louis Vuitton. In the interest of keeping this video short and snappy, what I might do is do a styling video in a later video. I have been meaning to do more fashion videos because a lot of people have mentioned to me that they really like the way I dress, they like my style. So I want to kind of get my taste in the way my fashion sense kind of out in the world and help spread that, because I think it's quite unique and I hope that it could help a lot of people feel more comfortable about who they are, because I dress in a very androgynous way. I can lean towards very feminine, or I can go very masculine, suits, streetwear, etc. So yeah, hopefully I can kind of spread that love in that way. But I might do the try on and styling video later. For now, I'm just going to unbox this, show you guys the eye candy, because I think that it really does deserve just 5 minutes of your time to have a look at this product. Alright guys, so what I got was, or is, the Logomania Shine Scarf is what it's called on the website. So it is coming into winter, or it's already winter in Australia here. So I thought that it would be the perfect time to get a scarf. And it's not like any of the scarves that I have from Louis Vuitton, but they're shawls, so they're squares. I think they're about 90 by 90. But this one is a 30 centimeter wide, not a square, a 30 centimeter wide scarf that is 1.8 meters tall. So it's your regular scarf that just kind of wraps around your neck and keeps you really warm. And it's so beautiful. So do you guys see that amazing shine there? The materials, I will let you know now, is 95% wool and 5% silk. So it's still mainly wool, and it's really soft and warm and comfortable, and you just wrap it around your neck and it is so fabulous. The beautiful thing about this, and I mentioned that it's definitely worth 5 minutes of your time to look at, because on the website it shows photos of the scarf, but it is nothing, absolutely nothing compared to what the scarf looks like while it's in person. I'm not even sure if it's going to come up properly on video, but the scarf is this metallic wool that is so stunning. It comes in 3 colors. It's got black and pink, red, and the classic brown. So the combination is black and silver, and then I think it's red and metallic red, and then pink and metallic pink. And so the brown is this golden bronze metallic with your classic Louis Vuitton brown, and it's just the house color. And I thought that this is such a classic item, it will never ever go out of style, so it just made sense to invest in it. This scarf cost me $800, and it wasn't hella expensive, but in the grand scheme of things, obviously it is quite expensive, but I think it's worth every penny, because with a color scheme like this, you can't go wrong, right? Like, you're going to be able to wear it year after year after year, because this is Louis Vuitton's colors. You know, if you went with like a red or a pink, you're probably limited by the seasons, and also, you know, you might not be wearing that kind of color 5 years from now. But this is Louis Vuitton's color, it's their house color, and it's just absolutely stunning. I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful this is, because really the photos on the website, go onto the website yourself right now, have a look. It does not do the scarf justice. It is so absolutely stunning. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I am not going to continue on. I will do a styling video. I will style it up and I'll wear it for you guys, and how I would style it in my outfits, going from, you know, maybe formal wear to street wear, casual wear, semi-casual, whatever. But I will do a fashion video on this later down the track. For now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this eye candy has brought a smile to your face. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!